Sioned, I'm clarinet player. We start the session, well, the session's in two halves. So the first half is introduction to the clarinet, introduction to the bass clarinet. A bit of recital where it's quite interactive. So there's one piece called The Princess and the Frog, and we've got a story going on, so the children can join in with that with some actions. Then introducing some pieces where the children can use their imaginations, you know, ask them at the end of the piece, now what did it make you think of? In a way it's warming them up to the writing work that Alad's going to be doing with them.
Are you sure we can lean on this if you want? I've got this here.
What's really nice for me is that I can share the workshop this time with the music being the stimulus, and then after that they come up with their own ideas from the music. I'll be coming around as well, and you'll be hearing the piece once more. Okay. And jot ideas down initially, and they're still hearing the music all the time while they're working. And it's great then that they develop their own individual idea, and I think it's a liberating thing for them really, and a very nice use of the two media really together.
Morning, hoping someone's around, but still no one's around me. I go downstairs to still see no one around me. I'm having breakfast now, supposed to be at school, but still no one around me. Getting sad, a lot sad now. Wanting my friends, wanting my family, but still no one around me. When will my life change?
Oh, excellent. Well done. Sense of isolation there, wasn't there, in that piece from the music, all inspired by the music you've heard. What did you notice particularly about Melissa's piece?
She always repeated "still around me."
Excellent.